It's a 2016 Mini Cooper Clubman. Leave it to Mini to figure out the perfect combination of sporty performance and functionality. It's the Mini that isn't. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo i3 engine, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, aluminum wheels, external memory control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, leather steering wheel, internet radio, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, and manual transmission. Car and Driver finds beyond the minor sacrifice in acceleration, the Clubman delivers the same eager let's play feel as its smaller stablemate, the kind of go-get-'em persona that has distinguished the Mini since its 2002 resurrection. British styling, German engineering, domestic smiles. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.